So it was just a great time for cricket. और जब India और पाकिस्तान के matches भी हुआ करते थे, it was just very very entertaining. So those are the memories of cricket, and obviously cricket is still great.
हाय स्नेहा, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आप आईपीएल के भी ब्रॉडकास्टर हैं, तो इस फिल्म को आईपीएल के दौरान भी प्रमोट किया जाएगा वाइल कॉन्वर्सेशन जो होते हैं बीच में?
जी बिल्कुल.
तो क्या प्लानिंग है एग्जैक्टली किस तरीके से प्रमोट करेंगे?
Watch the IPL, you'll see it.
ओके इमरान, यही ऑडी था जहां से शुरुआत हुई थी आई थिंक 6-8 महीने पहले जब पहला एक टीजर छोड़ा गया था.
जी जी.
तब से लेकर के अभी तक का सफर जरा अगर आप बताएं कि किस तरीके से ओवरऑल, क्योंकि आपने आईएसडी भी शूटिंग की है, एसटीडी लोकल.
हाँ, आईएसडी ज़्यादा शूटिंग की है, बट एक बहुत ही टफ जर्नी रहा है क्योंकि तभी तो हमने सिर्फ वॉक शूट किया था और बैक टू कैमरा शॉट था. लेकिन उसके बाद वी केम डाउन टू एक्चुअली शूटिंग, और हमने लंदन में शूटिंग की, एजबैस्टन, दाबिशर, हैदराबाद में जो इनका होम टाउन है. तो बहुत नर्वस था मैं क्योंकि क्रिकेटिंग पोर्शंस ऑब्वियसली दे मेड मी द मोस्ट नर्वस, क्योंकि सब लोगों ने अजहर भाई को देखा है, उनके मैनरिज्म्स हैं ऑन द फील्ड, उनके न्यूएंसेस हैं, तो उन चीज़ों को इम्बाइब करना. एंड अगर इस फिल्म में अगर आपने कुछ गलत कर दिया तो एक तरह से एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म हो सकता है. तो उस चीज़ को दिमाग में रखकर नोटिंग वेरी वेरी माइन्यूट थिंग्स अबाउट अजहर भाई, फ्रॉम द वॉक टू द वे ही यूज्ड टू ईट, द वे ही यूज्ड टू स्पीक, तो ये सब चीज़ें मैंने इम्बाइब करनी शुरू की. He hardly ate, that's why I'm hardly eating in the film also. But I almost became his stalker. When we were actually playing cricket, I think he caught me staring at him eerily and trying to just see what, everything, every nuance. So I think I made his life hell for those 3-4 months.
एक खास लहजा भी है हैदराबाद का जो ट्रेलर में सुनाई
जी, इसमें है, पोर्शंस में है, जो जब हैदराबाद का पोर्शन है इस फिल्म में, जो उनके चाइल्डहुड से लेकर जब वो 20 के थे, 21 थे, तो वो पोर्शन में थोड़ा ज़्यादा लहजा है.
नरगिस, आपने वो ओए ओए वाला गाना सुना था पहले? आप अगर हिंदी में समझ...
Yes, I have.
तो उस समय और इस समय क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस अगर आप बता सके? ऑन योर राइट.
Sorry, what did you say again?
मैंने हिंदी में पूछा कि उस गाने में इस गाने में कितना परिवर्तन है, तब्दीलियां हैं?
What is the difference? As in, watch the film and you'll find out. Very good. Thank you so much.
सब कुछ अगर फिल्म देख के ही पता करेंगे तो फिर आज कुछ आपसे भी तो पूछना चाहेंगे.
हाय टोनी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. आप इस टैगलाइन पे फोकस करेंगे, लव हिम, हेट हिम, जज हिम. इट्स जनरली लव मी, हेट मी, डू नॉट जज मी. तो जज हिम आल्सो है साथ में.
Judge him because a lot of people still think that a lot of people are not aware of the verdict of the court. So the idea was to portray what is the fact actually happened with the court. So we are hoping that people see and they judge him the way they should judge him after the film.
टैगलाइन की बात कर रहे थे, तो आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, लव हिम, हेट हिम, जज हिम, ये जहन में कौन सी बात आती है जब ये टैगलाइन आपको सुनाया गया या जब आप सुनते हैं?
लव हिम ही आएगी, और दूसरी तो कोई दिमाग में आ रही नहीं. आपने इतना
इमरान
आसान सवाल था.
इमरान आपने जन्नत में मैच फिक्सिंग का रोल किया था, अभी आप रियल लाइफ हीरो का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, तो आपकी लाइफ में क्रिकेट कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Well, बहुत important रहा है. I've grown up watching Azhar Bhai in the 80s, 90s, जब वो कैप्टन थे, and I think those were the glory days of cricket, क्योंकि तभी ज़्यादा फॉर्म्स भी नहीं थे एंटरटेनमेंट के, and whenever your family used to sit and watch, there was this very concentrated approach that everyone used to sit and watch the match. ज़्यादा इंटरनेट नहीं था, ज़्यादा प्रोग्राम्स नहीं थे, so it was just a great time for cricket. और जब इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के मैचेस भी हुआ करते थे, it was just very very entertaining. So those are the memories of cricket, and obviously cricket is still great, but I was very honored जब मुझे ये role मिला to portray his life.
Imran, there were reports that your family was not happy with the first poster.
No, that's not true. Like I gave the quote today, maybe it was misconstrued when I said they were shocked. That doesn't mean they didn't like it. They were surprised, and in a nice way, because that's what my wife told me in the morning. She loved the poster. She found it very unique, and she said she definitely wants to see the film.
इमरान, इंडियन टीम की ब्लू जर्सी पहनने के बाद क्या कुछ महसूस कर रहे थे आप?
Very proud.
Imran, here. Imran, when this match fixing scandal broke out way back in the 90s, and when Azhar Bhai's name got embroiled in it, what was your reaction? Did you at that time believe that Azhar is innocent?
No, I didn't. You see, the thing is, obviously there were fans of Azhar Bhai that gave him the support that he obviously deserved at that point of time. There are also certain people that like to jump the gun and play judge, jury, and executioner when they say that, okay, probably he has done it. But they didn't even follow the court case. And eventually, it was kind of a vindication when he won the court case. So I believe in following a certain, the way the law has to function, let it take its course. And that happens not just with him. It's happened with every celebrity, every sports person around the world. It's very high profile, and people do reach their own judgment, which I think is extremely unfair. You should let the court have its hearing and then decide. We might not agree with the court's verdict, but we have to accept it.
Azhar, cricket and Bollywood often go hand in hand with each other. We have seen many cricketers date Bollywood actors. One person who has been at the receiving end for dating a Bollywood actress is Virat Kohli, whose failure sometimes gets his girlfriend into the picture, and criticism happens on social media. What would your advice be to him? How should he tackle it? How should he react to it?
I think the press should tackle better than what Virat Kohli should tackle, because I think this is personal life, because you cannot really, talk about all those things, because I think he's performing well on the field. As a player, you really have to really look at what he's doing as a cricketer. His performance has been outstanding, and I think whatever he does in his private life, I think you have to leave it to him, because sometimes we get too judgmental, and then, I think that's what happened. I think if the things are true that there's some problem in the relationship, I think it's because of the tough time which is posed by the press to them.
Hi, Tony. Gaurav from Midday. I have two questions, one for you, one for Imran. Onto your right, here, on the stairs. So the first question is, you have said the film is based on the facts and, whatever it's been reported around Azhar Bhai. There were there are a lot of reports about, players, basically team players revolting against him, or the fights between him and the other players. And also about the political career which he had. So are we just going to see the controversial side of it, or, just the fixing side of it, or will there be some glimpses of, all these things? And second question is for Imran. So if you want to answer this first.
Yeah, I think, everyone talks only about the fixing. There's a lot more to his life than just fixing. He's the only person to score 100 in his first and last match, 300s in a row. We got to celebrate him as a cricketer also. So the film is not only about a certain aspect in his life, it's the entire journey of life which has happened. As far as players who didn't support him or supported him, I think the film answers all that.
And for Imran, who do you think till now, who do you think is the best captain for Team India?
He's standing right here.
Thank you.
आपकी close friend Kangna, she is celebrating the national award, but off late उनकी personal life को लेकर काफी कुछ.
Can we just keep it to the film, please?
Just wanted to get your view, because
too many personal lives have been spoken about.
One-on-one we'll do it. Yeah?
Okay. Hi Nargis.
Very loud. No, unfortunately, I didn't get to meet Sangeeta, but I did watch her films, and with the help of the team here, I learned about the stories that went on, and of course we have the internet, so I can research now, which I love the internet. So I used all of that to imbibe her character. I did my best. I hope I did all right. Yeah. Let's see.
Prachi. Hi, Prachi.
Yeah, her Hindi's very good. Mine is not. It's
Prachi.
okay.
Prachi, यहाँ पे.
I want to understand. Yeah, what I want to understand.
Left side.
My left.
Right side. Sorry.
Right.
यहाँ सामने.
Hi.
Hi अनुज्ञा न्यूज़ ऑनलाइन से. मेरा सवाल ये है कि आप अजहर जी की फर्स्ट वाइफ से मिले थे, आपको जब ये रोल दिया गया था, और ये सेकंड फिल्म है आपकी इमरान जी के साथ.
Yeah, it only gets better. जी मैं मिली हूँ नौरीन से, and actually honestly पहले मेरे लिए I think it was a little scary when I got to know that I have to play Noreen, because उनके बारे में कोई भी information कहीं पर available नहीं है. So I had to completely rely on the sources through, of course, Tony, whatever that I got to know about her. But उनसे मिलने के बाद honestly मेरे जितने भी presumptions थे, it just got cleared like completely, absolutely. So I think after meeting her, I'm completely in awe with her. I think she's way more a lovely person than I imagined her to be. And उनकी जितने भी characteristics है, I tried to imbibe them in the film. I mean, बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो मुझे लगी कि जैसे मुझे बोला गया था कि वो बहुत आई थिंक शाय है, बहुत कम बोलते हैं, मगर ऐसा नहीं है. आई थिंक शी हैज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल गेज when she talks, and there were a lot of things that I observed. So I'm very glad that I actually got to meet her, and yeah.